Hi everyone, welcome back to Simple Steps tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create an attendance register in Microsoft Excel using checkboxes. And we'll also calculate percentage attendance automatically. Let's start by setting up our table. In column A, type the names of the students. In the top row, type the weekdays from Monday to Friday, and at the end, add a column called percentage attendance. Now, instead of typing 1 for present and 0 for absent, let's make this more interactive by adding checkboxes. To insert checkboxes into all cells in an Excel range, select the desired cells. Then go to the Insert tab and click the checkbox button. Each checkbox can be linked to its cell, so when it's checked, the value will return true, and when it's unchecked, it will return false. Next, let's calculate the percentage attendance. To enable percentages in the percentage column, right-click the column, choose Format Cells. Then select Percentage and click OK. This will automatically display your formula results as percentages. In the percentage column, type the formula. Equals countif, B2F2 true, counta, B2F2. Copy this formula down for all students. This formula counts the number of days marked present, divides by the total number of days, and returns a fraction. You'll see the results displayed automatically as percentages without multiplying by 100. As a bonus tip, let's make the percentage column more visual. Select the entire percentage column, go to Home, click Conditional Formatting, and choose Color Scales. Pick a gradient, for example, green for high attendance and red for low attendance. This instantly shows who has excellent attendance and who needs improvement. The one I like most is data bars. There are more options here to try out. And that's it. You now know how to create an attendance register in Excel with checkboxes, automatic percentage calculation, and a color gradient to make your data stand out. Don't forget to subscribe for more Simple Steps tutorials.